Tecno has just officially launched the Spark Go 2 in India, and this comes after 10 months since the first version was unveiled. So it seems they are in quite a hurry with this new series. We are discussing a new addition to their entry-level series, which offers features that are quite interesting considering its price point. The screen is a 6.67-inch LCD panel boasting HD resolution. What is even more surprising is that the refresh rate can reach up to 120 Hz, which is quite impressive. Regarding the cameras, we only have a rear camera with 13 megapixels and on the front, 8 megapixels. Interestingly, both back and front have dual LED flash, unusual for the front camera. The battery is 5000 mAh and it supports a load of 15 watts. For performance, it has a Unisoc T7250 processor with 4 GB of RAM, plus an option for 4 more GB of virtual RAM and 64 GB of storage. You see how basic it is, but fortunately you can expand this storage with microSD card. In software, it runs iOS 15 and has the Ella assistant that we have already known in different devices of the brand, which actually works quite well. So it is striking that these type of functions that you usually find in much more premium devices are transferred to a device of the entry range because it brings different language supports. One of the truly unique and standout features is the function that allows for no network communication. This ensures that you will still have access to essential functions even when you don't have a mobile signal. We're unsure what they mean, because in some way it might imply communication through Bluetooth or similar technologies. Even though it is a 4G device, it features dual stereo speakers equipped with DTS technology, and it also includes infrared capabilities as well as IP resistance. Splash proof. The price of this Tecno Spark Go 2 announced for India is 6,999 rupees, which at the exchange rate would be about $84. But now that we see that for $84, we can already have a 120 Hz screen, stereo sound, artificial intelligence functions. Please let me know if you believe that traditional brands are falling behind in the entry-level range.